Hey, my name's Mark. I've been a member of Jordan's course for about, since last October. October 2019 I got it. At the time, I didn't have any YouTube channels at all. I had courses, I bought previous courses by other people, which were absolutely rubbish. I mean, seriously rubbish. And the prices were, I think one was $597 and I think one was $997. Yeah. Then I found Jordan's. I think at the time it was for 95. And I said, right, this is the last time I'm getting any YouTube course now. This is it. No more. After this, if this doesn't work, I'm not going to bother. But luckily, I found Jordan and it is amazing. Absolutely brilliant. I've now got, well, since that October, I've got two monetized channels already. One took 2 months. Then after that one, I got another one, and that one took 2 weeks. And that's all following what Jordan teaches in his Buy 9 to 5 course. It's amazing. It really is. I'm not the youngest, I suppose, in the group. One of the oldies, but age doesn't matter. This works. What he teaches, it works. Pure and simple. Got two monetized channels. One's making money, one isn't. It's not making a lot of money, but I've got to scale up my videos, really get that momentum going. I think it's earning, on average, monthly is about £250, which is better than nothing. And I've got my money back from Jordan's course easily. Done. What Jordan teaches, it plainly works. Get it. It's really worth it. Don't go with the others. I know who the others are. You know who the others are. And they are rubbish. Really are. Good luck. See you on the inside. The Facebook group is mind-blowing. That is worth twice as much as what Jordan's, 3 times as much. That Facebook group of his is amazing. It's so active and not spammy. There's no people spamming their videos in there. Watch this, watch this. There's none of that going on. It's pure helpfulness and content from people that are doing it, that are successfully doing it. And there's also newbies that are asking for information and help. And it's brilliant. Everyone mucks in. It's great. Get in there. See you inside.